In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Clickup. Let's dive right in and get your project management game to the next level. The first thing you want to do is sign into your Clickup account. If you're new to Clickup, simply go to their website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, make sure that all your project's tasks are organized, whether they're in a list, a folder, or a space. Having your tasks neatly arranged is essential to making the next steps as smooth as possible. Now, once your tasks are all set in their designated places, it's crucial to assign each task a start date or a due date. This is important because these dates will build the timeline structure for your Gantt chart, illustrating when tasks begin and end and how they overlap with one another. It really helps to visualize your project timeline and manage overlapping tasks effectively. Next up, you'll spot a button labeled as Plus View within your Clickup interface. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be presented with various view options. For the purpose of this project, go ahead and choose Gantt. When prompted, enter a name for this particular view, something clear and descriptive that will help you identify it later on. After naming your view, click Add View. This step sets up your Gantt chart according to the tasks you've inputted earlier. Once your Gantt chart is up and running, you can really start to see the power of this tool. If you need to make changes, you can directly add or adjust dates right on the chart itself. This feature is particularly handy as it allows you to adapt to any new project changes or timelines without having to go through all your individual tasks again. Just click on a taskbar on the chart and make any necessary date edits to keep things accurate and up to date. And there you have it. Your core Gantt chart is now active, and your tasks are visually laid out. But don't stop there. Be sure to utilize the Gantt chart to track progress and gain insights into your project's critical information. Gantt charts are fantastic for managing workflows, spotting potential bottlenecks, and ensuring everything is on track. You'll find it to be a powerful ally for tracking your project's progress efficiently and methodically. So there you go. You've learned how to construct a Gantt chart in Clickup, organize and visualize your tasks effectively, and keep your project on track with clear timelines. Go ahead and explore the capabilities a bit further, and you'll find plenty more tools and tricks within Clickup to refine your project management strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video for more tips and tricks on mastering project management tools.